here is the quarter, and here's the knife sharpener. As you can see, it's kind of interesting. And if we look at the thickness here, it's quite a big difference. You see, it's a really big difference. It's about the size of multiple quarters. So there's three things I like about it. The quality is fantastic. It's versatile. And it has multiple features. I didn't know this thing had a whistle. I was just getting a knife sharpener. But I found out this is the perfect pal to have in the woods. Because if you dull your knife, you're going to need a fast way to sharpen it. And this thing sharpens your knife fast. And this right here is the coolest part. It has a flint and steel. It's a little hard to get out, so... But as you can see, I wasn't holding in the right spot and it slipped. But now I'm holding it in the rubber part. The rubber, the plastic, it all feels high quality. It has flint and steel, sparker, porcelain knife toner, knife sharpener, diamond sharpener, whistle, as you hear this. It's pretty decent loud, I know, but it is a good product. And as you can see, there's a little hole there. That's for your keys. Do you know how useful that is? I can now carry my knife sharpener and my knife. I don't have to carry around a big, solid diamond brick. It's ready and it's all ready to go. And you put this on your keychain. Look at that. Doesn't that look like something so sleek? It looks like something from almost like from a movie. It looks fantastic. I love it. Best knife sharpener I ever got. If you know someone who has a knife or a sword, I've seen people use this to sharpen their sword. Don't know why, but it does the job. If you know someone who likes knives or swords, this is the knife sharpener for them. Get it. The woodsman will love it.
It's a great little product. It's not too big. Pretty good size, compact. It's good for out in the woods, camping or whatever. You will start losing some sharpness in your blade. I have sharpened my knives with this already, and it does the job. You have two options. You can use the metal, I think it's carbide or something. You bring your knife in through there. Bring your knife in through there a couple times. And then you move over to the ceramic side. And yeah, that's pretty sharp. Also, I haven't got a chance to use this yet. This is for if you have like a serrated edge. Just upon touching it and feeling it, it feels very coarse. I have no doubt in my mind that this would probably do a good job as well, sharpening those serrated edges. Plus, comes with a little fire starter setup. You actually use the blades in here to start your fire, to strike it. Works good. Works good. It also comes with a whistle, which is a nice little added feature. It's a good price. Thinking about buying a couple more of these actually.
Six-in-one knife sharpener and survival tool. It's called the SHARPAL. Pretty good. I want a couple of these. I like them. I haven't tested out the sharpener on it or the hook sharpener or file, but I do use the flint. Produces pretty good spark on it. It's well used. So I'm going to test out the sharpness. So I got a dull knife. As you can see, not cutting the apple. Let's find out how well it goes. Slide it across. And then there's the finer edge. Works pretty good. Thumbs up.
When I've caught a fish and if the hook's a little blunt, I simply run the hook down there a couple of times, and again it's hook's good to go again. Great bit of kit. If you've got any knives that you use all the time, good bit of kit to sharpen the knives again. Does the job. Probably the best £10 I've spent in a long time. And an added bonus, it's got a whistle somewhere there and a fire starting rod.
This is a great little sharpener. Comes with a fire starter right here that slides in and out. Comes with a fish hook sharpener. Comes with a coarse and fine blade sharpening section. Also comes with a built-in whistle. Super lightweight, super compact. I'll definitely be anxious to get this out on the trail and use it. But for the time being, really lightweight, really cool. So glad I bought it. Durable, obviously. So anyways, yeah, great buy.
This is the SHARPAL, knife sharpener / survival tool. It comes with both a carbide and a ceramic blade sharpener. One is to take burrs off the edges, the other is to refine the edge to make it super sharp. It also comes with a whistle in case of emergencies and a diamond tipped sharpener used for serrated blade edges. It also comes with a fire starter that can be used to spark and create fire in case of emergencies. It's an excellent piece of equipment. I suggest anyone buy it at the price available. This thing is wonderful. Thank you.
And you